Personal finance is the key to achieving financial freedom and stability. It encompasses everything from budgeting and saving to investing and planning for retirement. By understanding and implementing the fundamental principles of personal finance, you can take control of your money and secure your financial future. The 10 steps to success in personal finance are: Number 1. Create a budget. A budget is a financial plan that helps you manage your income and expenses. It involves determining how much money you earn each month, and then allocating that money to different expenses, such as housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. By creating a budget, you can see where your money is going and make adjustments to ensure you're spending it in a way that aligns with your financial goals. Number 2. Set financial goals. Setting financial goals is an important step in personal finance. You may have short-term goals, such as saving for a vacation, or long-term goals, such as buying a house or retiring comfortably. By identifying what you want to achieve financially, you can create a plan to work towards those goals. Number 3. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a savings account that is set aside for unexpected expenses, such as a medical emergency or job loss. It's important to have an emergency fund in place because it can help you avoid going into debt when unexpected expenses arise. The goal is to have enough money in your emergency fund to cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Number 4. Pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can be a significant burden on your finances. Interest rates on credit cards can be as high as 20% or more, which means that if you carry a balance, you'll end up paying a lot of money in interest. Paying off high-interest debt should be a priority because it can save you money in the long run. Number 5. Invest for the future. Investing is an important step in building wealth over time. There are many different ways to invest, such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. By investing, you can earn a return on your money, which can help you achieve your financial goals. It's important to have a good understanding of the different types of investments and the risks associated with them before investing. Number 6. Maximize your earning potential. One way to improve your financial situation is to increase your income. This can be done by asking for a raise at work, starting a side business, or looking for a higher paying job. Increasing your income can help you save more money and achieve your financial goals more quickly. Number 7. Minimize taxes. The government takes a portion of your income in the form of taxes. There are many ways to minimize your tax bill, such as taking advantage of tax deductions and credits. By minimizing your taxes, you can keep more of your money and use it to achieve your financial goals. Number 8. Protect yourself financially. Insurance is an important way to protect yourself and your assets from financial loss. There are many different types of insurance, such as health, auto, home, and life insurance. By purchasing insurance, you can protect yourself from financial loss in case of unexpected events. Number 9. Plan for retirement. Saving for retirement is an important step in personal finance. The earlier you begin saving, the more time your money has to grow. There are many different ways to save for retirement, such as 401k plans or individual retirement accounts, IRAs. A financial advisor can help you create a plan that works for you. Number 10. Review and adjust your plan. Personal finance is an ongoing process, and it's important to review and adjust your plan as needed. Regularly reviewing your budget, financial goals, and investment portfolio can help you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. This will help you achieve your financial goals and maintain control over your finances. Start by setting realistic and specific financial goals, and then create a plan to achieve them. It's also important to be aware of the risks and benefits of different financial decisions, and to seek the help of a professional financial advisor if needed. Remember to be consistent and persistent in following through with your financial plan. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment so you can continue receiving lots of content like this, totally free, every week. See you soon.